Well, with that, we're going to wrap up on our two. We always try to end up on a kind of fun, quirky, weird, whatever. And neither of these have to do with Elon Musk for a change. So that's nice. I know, but they are about AI because we can't avoid that. So we'll cue these up one at a time. I guess the first is that Microsoft has announced, I guess, that they're introducing AI into Paint. Um, well, first of all, I didn't know Microsoft Paint even existed anymore. Um, but you brought this one up, and I guess my question is, why does it surprise you? Don't we have to? Isn't that the new cardinal rule of software that AI has to be in everything?
I guess so, but with Paint as well as the Snipping Tool, as well as Notepad, I've always thought of these as applications that were bare bones on purpose so that they were easy to use, didn't take up memory, and could simply do the lowest level tasks that I'm looking for. Because if I'm even creating a formal document, I'm not using Notepad, I'm using Word or PowerPoint or whatever else is here, not Notepad. I don't need Notepad to be the thing that is bogged down by AI, but here we are now. Copilot has taken over every single possible bit of
You
functionality.
know, how can we deliver a product without a sticker generator? I mean, that's the price now. We have to have AI and everything. All right, well, whatever.